Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to pair a PlayStation 4 controller with either an iPad or an iPhone. So in the latest update of iOS, the PlayStation 4 controller is now supported natively within the system. So to pair the controller with your device, you have to first turn on the Bluetooth settings. Turn your Bluetooth on. Then you put your PS4 controller into pairing mode. You do this by holding down the share button and the PlayStation button at the same time. So you press and hold, and then when you see it flashing like that, that is in pairing mode. And the PlayStation controller should show up down here under other devices. Simply click that to pair it to your controller. And there you go. Your controller is now paired to your device. And then, now to use it, all you have to do is simply jump into your favorite game. Here's a game that I just got on the iPad. And there you have it. You can now use a controller to play your games. Here is a mount to hold your phone on your controller. I got this from Kmart for about $12. And once your phone is mounted on here, it is kind of like a console. And there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.